In today's video, I am going to teach you how to automate receiver name in emails using Mailerlite. This is a simple but powerful improvement to your email campaigns because it lets each person see their name instead of a generic greeting. If you follow along at a steady pace, you will be able to add personalization in just a few minutes. First, log into your Mailerlite account. This means you should open your Mailerlite dashboard in your browser and make sure you are signed in successfully. Take a moment to confirm you are in the main workspace, because the next steps depend on having access to the Campaigns area. Next, navigate to Campaigns. Once you find the Campaigns section in the left side menu, click it, and then select Create Campaign. At this point, you will choose a campaign type and start the drag-and-drop builder experience. Mailerlite will usually guide you through the setup, so look for the option that lets you select the type of campaign you want and then confirm the drag-and-drop campaign builder is the one you are using. Now that your new campaign is open, you are ready to edit the email content. In the Content section, click Edit Email to open the drag-and-drop email editor. This opens the visual builder where you can design your message. You want to do this now because the personalization tag has to be inserted into the text area of your email. After the editor loads, you will see multiple blocks and sections. Into the text block, into your layout, click inside it. This is where you will place the greeting text that will contain the receiver name. If you already have a greeting written, click where you want the name to appear. If the text block is new, click inside the block so the cursor appears and you can type or edit. At this stage, the key part is adding the personalization variable. Click the personalization icon. This icon represents a variable placeholder that Mailerlite will replace automatically with the correct value for each subscriber. You can think of it as a smart token. Instead of you typing each name, Mailerlite fills it in based on the recipient. Once you open the personalization options, a drop-down menu will appear. Select Name from the drop-down menu to insert the $name tag. When you choose Name, Mailerlite inserts the correct variable into your email text. You should see the tag appear within the text where your cursor is or where the personalization was inserted. This is the part that enables the automatic receiver name. Now you are ready to keep moving with your campaign setup. Save your changes and proceed with your campaign. Saving is important because it confirms that your email now includes the personalization tag. After you save, you can continue through the remaining steps of the campaign, such as reviewing settings, checking the layout, and preparing the send or scheduling options. To wrap up, make sure the text you edited contains the personalization tag in the correct spot, especially where you want the greeting to appear. Then continue with the rest of your campaign workflow as usual. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.